Hi, my name is Cara Warnick, and this is my dog Cricket. She's decided that she's going to be in the video as well. Um, I am a high school special education teacher by trade. Um, I've struggled with ADHD pretty much the entirety of my life, though I didn't actually. Cricket can attest to that. Um, though I didn't actually know it was ADHD until I was 28 when I was diagnosed. Um, it's affected my day-to-day life a lot. For about 10 years, I thought that what I was dealing with was anxiety, and relied a lot on like panic and urgency to just cope with the day-to-day stressors of life. Not the healthiest. And then as soon as I discovered it was ADHD, it was super affirming, but I lost a lot of the things that I had depended on to keep myself on track, and started having to look outside of myself for those resources. I've tried pretty much every project management tool that you can think of. I've tried Asana, I've tried Sensama, I've tried Monday, I have tried making my own Google Sheets, I've tried every to do list app under the sun. And all of them have their pros and cons. This is no shade to any of them in particular, but I definitely had a lot of trouble finding something as customizable as I needed it to be while still having some structure. Especially because I don't have either full control over my time, nor do I have a completely scheduled day. I have somewhere in the middle, which is really challenging. A friend who's a big fan of Notion, and who'd been teaching me how to use it recommended I look into some templates. I searched up ADHD templates and found the life planner. Um, and it's been shocking how helpful it's been. In my day-to-day life, I use the Notion web clipper to basically pin anything that I need to do to my task list. Um, the habit tracker has been super helpful, and having the mindfulness of having to go back to it um, has been really wonderful. Honestly, I'd recommend this template to anyone because it's a really beautiful mix of customizability, making it work for you, but it still has a lot of structure, and it's beautiful in that way. And I'm just really grateful to have found it. So thank you.